Okay, so today I got my brows waxed and laminated. They look snatched. I love the way they look. So I kind of vlogged my little experience. It's gonna be a bit of a shorter vlog. It's not very like long, but I just wanted to like document the experience because this is something new and I thought this was something fun to kind of like post. I mean, I could have made this like a TikTok or something, but I don't know. I thought this would be fun for the channel. So in the following clips, you're going to see, of course, the process of me getting my brows laminated and waxed, and then you'll see, well, this is the end result. But either way, so cute. Love the way it looks. And I'm going to ask you right now to subscribe down below and enjoy the video. Okay, so like y'all saw in the intro, I'm getting my brows waxed today and laminated. So this is kind of the situation we're working with right now. I have been like trying to grow my brows out so they're just like a little bit fluffier. I know I have a lot of like growth here, but that's kind of the situation we're working with. So let's go get my brow wax and laminated. We're here. Let's get these brows done. All right, so here's the setup. Kaylee.
Hello.
Perf. So we're finding the solution.
Like a perm.
Perm. We love a perm. It smells like perm solution.
Like eggs.
Ew. Oh my god, I'm excited.
Right?
Love. Okay, so
We're gonna put this on to keep them up.
cute. These angles are like not yet, but like cute. Love. Oh, are they gonna look like that? Like that? That's cute.
Hopefully.
I know.
Hopefully they stay.
Cute.
That's what we're hoping for.
Well, we shall see. See y'all back in 11 minutes. No, so this is a great. Just Kaylee just looking at the instructions.
Yes.
Amazing.
Well, do you want me to burn them off or not?
No.
No.
I'm not gonna do that. Thank you.
Read the instructions.
Read the instructions. So we are now at round 2. This is what it looks like. I don't know what's happening, but it looks pretty good. Oh, it's setting.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, whatever that means. But looks good. Nothing. They look so cute already. This is not gonna focus, but cute.
Do with your thick brows too. Tick them all up.
I know, literally. That looks so cute. Okay, so I'm back from getting my brows laminated and waxed, and this is the end result. So this is what we have going on. I personally, this is my good brow, so of course this one's gonna look just like amazing. I don't have any other makeup on. I was not doing that today, but I love the way it looks. I think it looks very like snatched. It's very like brow freeze kind of look, very like, you know, very well laminated. That's the whole point of this like trend. But I love that it just looks so like sculpted. I love the way it looks personally. I think it really like gives you that like lifted look, which is, you know, I think the whole point of the routine. But I think if you have the opportunity, you should definitely do it. It took me about like 45 minutes, I think more towards like an hour, because my hair is a lot thicker. I have a lot of brow. So my arch expert actually let me know that we needed to do it a little bit longer than like most people. So if you don't have like a lot of brow hair, if your hair is a little bit thinner, then you probably wouldn't do it as long. This is all just like speculation. Of course, talk to your expert that's doing this for you, talk to your esthetician that's doing this for you, and of course, they'll give you the information that you need. But that was just my experience. I personally, I love it. I think it looks great. I wanted to put makeup on it, give you the whole effect, but I'm not allowed to get these wet for 24 hours, so I'm not even gonna like venture into that right now at this moment. And I just love it. So I think this is something like I'll keep up with. You know, we'll say that. But I really wanted to do this like vlog style-esque video because I don't have anything like that on my channel. So let me know down below if you kind of like this kind of video. It's a little bit more fast-paced, it's a little bit shorter, but I think it's the point across, and I think it's really fun. I love the way this looks, long story short, and I just wanted to take you along for the ride with me. Tell me down below if you guys like this kind of video. Don't forget to subscribe down below as well, and leave me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.